Hi, I'm Michael Christopher Barrios. So my official title for National Van Lines is Move Pro. I am part of our phenomenal Move Pro team here, but I also like to think of myself as a relocation hero. I help people relocate out of state. I'll set them up with a time where I can actually get a virtual tour of their home. They show me everything that needs to be going and moved. And when we're done, I'm able to email out a formal estimate within minutes. As for all the other excited customers that I have on schedule booked on with us, I'm here to answer any questions they have and make any adjustments they need. So I've been in this industry for over 13 years now, and I love it. And I just actually passed over 5 years now with National Van Lines. So what I love about my job, it's my team here at National Van Lines. Nobody can be successful in this industry doing it on their own. I have to trust that my executive team are making the best decisions for us. My operations team is mastering all the logistics, hiring great drivers, making sure everyone is just doing what is right. Our customer service is phenomenal at supporting all of us. They give me the support that I need just so I can actually focus more on my customers. So let me tell you, the most important thing customers experience when they work with me is peace, simplicity. And I want them to feel good about their decisions. The easiest way to get in contact with me is just reach out to me. Call, text, email. All my contact info is below, and I will literally take care of the rest. The most important thing I want my customers to feel when they end a conversation with me is to have trust. I want everyone to know that I am committed to your move, because there is nobody in this entire world that will care more about your move than I do.